One of the biggest roadblocks for new affiliates is the tech. Setting up funnels, email sequences, and webinars can feel overwhelming, especially if you don't have the skills or budget. That's where the ClickBank Super Funnel comes in. Instead of spending weeks or months trying to figure it out, you get a ready-made funnel that can be live in just 7 minutes. The pages, the follow-up emails, even the webinars, they're all pre-built and proven to work. While your funnel builds your list automatically, it's also promoting high-ticket ClickBank offers, which means you can earn commissions worth hundreds or thousands of dollars per sale, all while skipping the tech grind. The system has already created big wins for affiliates. Imagine earning while building your list instead of waiting months for results. Check out the free training today to see how you can bypass the tech barriers and still start earning online.